Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, and I'm a 51-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. So today we are pretty much diving into the medicinal uses and health benefits of a fruit you may know as Otaheite apple, Malay apple, or simply Jamaican apple. Now, it's not just a delicious fruit. It's packed with healing properties. Stick around to learn how this fruit, its leaves, and even its bark, roots, and seeds can support your health. So, Otaheite apple is the common name for a tropical fruit that is scientifically known as Digestion malescens. It's native to Southeast Asia and widely grown in the Caribbean, including Jamaica. It can also be found in other parts of the Americas, Africa, and Oceania. It has a pear-like shape, smooth, shiny, and can either have a deep red or purple skin. It also has a crisp white flesh with a mildly sweet taste. In Jamaica, Otaheite apple is a beloved fruit, often enjoyed as a snack on its own or in a fruit salad. It's also used to make homemade juices, desserts, wine, and jams. In other parts of the world, Otaheite apple tree is grown for its ornamental value and edible fruits. It's also utilized as a shade tree, among other things, and various parts of the tree are used in traditional medicine. Now, if you want to learn more about Otaheite apples, including how to make a very delicious drink made from them, please click on the link above or in the description below. First, let's talk about the fruit itself. Otaheite apple is loaded with antioxidants. It contains thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, and it has vitamins A and C in appreciable quantities, and essential minerals like iron, magnesium, zinc, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. It has a good amount of fiber as well, which can be useful for digestion and constipation. It also has a high water content, making it an excellent choice for hydration. Now, because of its rich nutrient profile, it has been traditionally used to support immune health and fight infections. Eating the fruit regularly can help boost your body's defenses. The flesh of the Otaheite apple contains epicatechin, which is thought to be good for lowering high blood pressure and detoxifying the body. In traditional medicine, the old fruit of this plant was considered a helpful remedy for sore throats. The fruit, leaves, or seed decoction is used to lower fever. The peel of the fruit has been researched and has been found to be rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Now let's move on to the leaves. In traditional medicine, the leaves are used to make a tonic and to help lower blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that compounds in the leaves help to regulate glucose levels, making it a natural remedy for people managing diabetes. A simple way to use the leaves is by boiling them to make tea. Drinking this tea regularly may help improve insulin sensitivity and promote overall metabolic health. The leaf infusion is also useful for a fever, bronchitis, and chest congestion. But of course, always consult with your healthcare provider before adding herbal remedies to your routine. The dried leaves are used to make a powder, which is placed on a cracked tongue. The leaf juice is used in the form of a skin lotion to moisturize the skin and is placed in baths. The leaves are useful for red eyes, and the leaf decoction is used topically on skin infections. The young leaves from saplings and the bark from mature trees are made into a warm drink for newborn babies and their mothers. This is useful for ridding the body of the afterbirth and for helping to cleanse the mother's body after she gives birth. It also serves the same purpose for a woman after a miscarriage. For mouth infections, treatment is administered in different ways. For example, the crushed leaves or scraped bark is used to make an infusion and taken as a portion, or the leaves are chewed and the juice swallowed, or the leaf juice is dripped in the mouth of an infant. Did you know that the bark of this tree also has medicinal uses? Traditionally, the bark is boiled in a decoction to treat digestive issues like diarrhea and stomach pain. It is also known for its astringent properties and is often used as a poultice or a decoction to sterilize wounds and burns. Fresh bark of the tree is pounded with rock salt and employed as a poultice for treating open wounds or applied topically on sores to promote fast healing. This is said to be a painful but effective treatment. The bark is used as a mouthwash for thrush. To treat vaginal thrush, candida or other kinds of yeast infections, the bark decoction is used topically as a vaginal wash. Scrapings from the bark is used to make an extract, which is taken for throat infections and stomach aches. The bark decoction is also useful for tuberculosis, mouth infections, and abdominal issues. The bark infusion is taken for coughs. The pounded bark is useful for mouth lesions and for lacerations. The bark is also used to purge the body and to treat venereal diseases. Fragments of the bark are soaked in coconut oil and used to purge the body. The roots of the tree also have medicinal uses. In traditional medicine, the root is used as a remedy for itching. The root is said to be a diuretic and is useful in the treatment of edema. The root bark is used to treat dysentery and to promote menstruation. It's also used as an abortifacient. So different parts of the tree are used also for pulmonary catarrh and headaches. Other health issues treated with the plant include bronchitis, yellow urine, poor appetite, deep bone pains, and a swollen stomach after childbirth. Seeded fruits, seeds, bark, and leaves have shown antibiotic effects and have been found to have some effect on blood pressure and respiration. The seed powder is also useful medicinally and has been studied. Research suggests that it may have anti-diabetic effects by helping to regulate blood sugar levels, but more studies are needed to fully confirm this benefit. The seed powder is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with arthritis. The seed powder has dietary fiber that can be useful for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The seeds have nutrients that are important for strengthening immunity, and consuming the seed powder regularly could enhance the body's resistance to infections. The seed powder can be added to smoothies, juices, or yogurt. It's advisable to start with a small amount, such as a half a teaspoon, and then gradually increase it to suit your taste and dietary needs. The seed powder can also be sprinkled over salads, soups, and stews, and it can be used to make tea. It can also be mixed with coconut oil and applied topically as a skin treatment for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So, if you have access to an Otaheite apple tree, take full advantage of it. Enjoy the fruit, brew the leaves into a tea, or use the seed powder, bark, and roots when needed. This is just another example of how nature provides us with powerful healing remedies. Well, that's it for now, my beautiful people. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used Otaheite apple for its medicinal benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Earth's Medicine for more herbal insights. Please share the video as well so that others can benefit from the information provided. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we upload our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.